Hey guys, hope everyone is doing good. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn this amazing lehenga illustration. Guys, I have already made this flat illustration. Now I will teach you to color and design over this illustration. Now I am use this skin color to giving the skin tone and use brown Staedtler pencil to highlight the body part. Now I use this wet brush to fix the color. Now I use micron pen to giving detailing. Guys, I already told you in previous video, micron pen and fine liners very important because detailing pens are very versatile. Again, you can use them for giving these fine detailing in your illustration. Guys, I am choosing this black color for this outfit. So firstly done the background and then I giving the design on the illustration. Now I use this brush very smoothly to giving the background black color. Guys, if you are learn more design and pattern, so after complete this video, go and check my playlist and watch every video. So guys, you get more information and get a more knowledge from these videos. Guys, now I am using this white metallic pen. This metallic pen is very helpful to giving design on the garment. Guys, you can also use white poster color, but right now I am using white metallic pen because it saves some time, and I would suggest you guys to learn to do poster color first. After that, you can use metallic pen because if you are a beginner, then first you should also know how to use poster color and then after use this metallic pen. Guys, right now I am giving design on the blouse and dupatta and then I will give design on lehenga. Now I am giving design on the lehenga. And guys, if you are liking my work, then please subscribe my channel and also like my all videos because your every like is very important for me and also motivate me that I bring a new design, new pattern for you guys as soon as possible and upload tutorial videos.